10 Best Current in Service Royal Air Force of Oman fighter jets, helicopters, and trainer jets. F-16 Fighting Falcon, role, multi-role combat aircraft, in service, 23. Eurofighter Typhoon, role, multi-role combat aircraft, in service, 12. British Aerospace, Hawk 203, role, light multi-role jet, in service, 10. Bell 206, role, utility and trainer, in service, 4. NH Industries NH90, role, utility transport, in service, 18. Westland Lynx, role, anti-surface warfare, in service, 13. BAE Systems Hawk 103, role, advanced trainer jet, in service, 12. Pilatus PC-9, role, advanced trainer jet, in service, 12. PAC Super Mushak, role, basic trainer jet, in service, 7. Bell 429 Global Ranger, role, rotorcraft trainer, in service, 5. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel, share this video, like this video and comment.